Tired of clutter, mess, and everyday kitchen chaos? These clever tools are small in size but big on solutions. From chopping to cleaning to organizing, it's time to upgrade your home, one genius gadget at a time. Let's dive into the smartest finds that make life easier, faster, and way more satisfying. Automatic stirring coffee mug. No spoon, no problem. Press a button, and this mug stirs your drink on its own. Creamy coffee, no clumps. Lazy mornings just got smarter. Soap brush. Tough on grime, soft on hands. This brush holds soap inside. Press, scrub, done. Perfect for dishes, tiles, and everything in between. Cleanup? Practically fun now. Round grating tool. Twist to grate, not scrape. This rotating grater makes quick work of cheese, veggies, and chocolate. Safe, fast, and oddly fun. More results, less wrist work. Mosquito Coil Box. Keep the bugs out in style. This decorative box hides your coil while keeping smoke flowing. No more ash, mess, or burnt fingers. Creme Ramekins. Dessert dreams come true. Perfect for creme brulee, souffle, dips, and more. Oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. Tiny bowls, big flavor moments. Silicone Gummy Bear. Molds candy made cute. These molds let you create your own gummies, chocolate or ice. Flexible, non-stick, and fun for all ages. Snack time just leveled up. Piping bags, frost like a pro. Reusable bags with precision tips for bakery quality decorating. Control, comfort, and creativity in your hands. Cupcake goals unlocked. Safety cutter, slice smarter, not harder. Tiny blade, big precision. Great for packages, crafts, and kitchen film. Cuts clean, stores safely, small tool. Big peace of mind. Air to water system. Water from thin air, literally. This device extracts and purifies water straight from the atmosphere. Eco-friendly, life-changing, and futuristic. Next-gen hydration today. Food container, lid, organizer lost lids? Never again. This rack sorts and stores all your food container tops. No more mismatched chaos. Order restored, one lid at a time. Freezer food block, freeze flat, stack smart. This tray shapes food into stackable blocks for maximum freezer space. Less clutter, more storage. Frozen goods, organized beautifully. Seasoning box, storage containers. Spice it right. Individual compartments keep flavors fresh and easy to grab. See everything, use everything. A chef's secret weapon in plain sight. Garlic grinder press, twist, done. This mini tool crushes garlic clean with no stinky fingers. No peeling, no chopping. Just fresh flavor in a snap. Salt or pepper shaker twist, sprinkle, perfect. This classic duo adds flavor fast. No clog, no mess. Sleek, simple, always ready. Table staples done right. Rolling knife sharpener, glide and grind. This rolling sharpener brings blades back to life with a few smooth swipes. Compact, safe, and wildly effective. Sharp knives, zero hassle. Oil brush, bottle brush, and pour in one. Fill, squeeze, and spread oil like a pro. No drips, no spills. Perfect for grilling, baking, and basting. Mess-free flavor control. Kitchen side dish, preparation rack prep like a pro. This rack holds small dishes, sauces, and sides while you cook. Keep things tidy and accessible. Organized kitchen, calmer mind. Electric can opener. One push, lid gone. No twisting, no cutting yourself. Just smooth, effortless can opening. Hands-free, stress-free, modern magic for your pantry. Plastic hanging trash. Can trash where you need it. This clip-on can hooks to counters or drawers, perfect for prep scraps. Compact, clean, and always within reach. A small bin with big convenience. Pancake batter dispenser. Pour the perfect circle. This This tool dispenses just the right amount. No drips, no mess. Great for pancakes, cupcakes, or waffles. Breakfast, but pro level. Hanging fruit and vegetable basket, up and out of the way. This hanging basket keeps produce fresh and counters clear. Chic, functional, and saves space. Farmer's Market feels at home. Deep fryer pot with strainer basket, crispy done right. This pot includes a strainer basket to lift, drain, and serve. No mess, no soggy bites. Golden crunch, easy cleanup. Paper cup holder grab, sip, go. This sleek holder keeps your cups stacked and ready, perfect for parties or busy mornings. Organized hydration on tap. Flower-shaped snack box snack storage, but make it cute. Petal-style compartments bloom open to reveal treats, great for candy, nuts, or fruit. A snack box that steals the show. Steak knives cut like butter. These serrated blades glide through meat with perfect precision, balanced, sharp, and dinner party ready. Steak night upgraded. Bread basket. Serve it warm, serve it right. This basket holds your bread, rolls, or pastries in perfect style. Classic look, modern charm. Dinner table, instantly better. Vegetable chopper slice, dice, done. This tool makes prep a breeze. Fast, safe, and mess-free chopping. Veggies, never saw it coming. Dish drying, matte dry in style. Soft, absorbent, and space-saving. No puddles, no clutter, just clean. Your countertop's new best friend. Meat cleaver. Heavy duty, zero drama. This cleaver slices through bone like butter. No second swings. Perfect balance, brutal precision. It's the kitchen's power move. Silicone dishwashing gloves. Gloves that scrub, game changer. Built-in bristles take on grime while keeping your hands clean. Lit tea infuser, steep in style. This LED tea infuser glows while it brews your favorite blends. Functional, fun, and a total vibe for tea time. Tea, but make it magic. 2-in-1 drainer and strainer flip. Snap. Drain. This genius tool strains pasta or rinses veggies without juggling bowls. Space-saving, time-saving, sanity-saving. Dual function, single solution. Shred silk knife. Goodbye clumsy cuts. This knife slices veggies into perfect ribbons and silks in seconds. Uniform cuts, no stress. Elegant results with zero effort. Citrus squeezer. Every drop counts. This hand press gets max juice with zero seeds or sticky fingers. Simple leverage, powerful squeeze. Fresh flavor, no fuss. Salad cutter bowl. Chop it right, chop it fast. Just throw in your veggies and slice through the slots. Even cuts, no mess, and salad in seconds. Healthy eating, hacked. Sharp scallion, silk knife. Green onion magic. This specialty blade turns scallions into silky strands with a single glide. Add flair to every dish, minus the knife skills. Gourmet vibes, simplified. Who knew little gadgets could make such a big difference? Which one's your favorite must-have? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Things from Mars and hit the bell icon so you never miss another clever find.